Hello doctor, greetings from Unique Dental Innovations. This is Dr. Jaideep Sakaria. I am going to unbox the radio frequency cautery. It comes with the nice decent bag packaging so we can carry easily. So now I am opening the radio frequency cautery. So this one is the manual with a warranty card with 1 year warranty. So this one is a hand switch pencil. This one is the active handle. This one is a bipolar tweezer. This one is a electrode. There are 20 electrode we are giving with this RF cautery. This one is used for the hand switch pencil, and this one is used in this active handle. This one is the foot control. This one is the main power supply plug wire. This one is the passion plate, and this one is the main portion. This one is the main machine. So now I am going to attach all the assembly. So this one is the main and very useful tool, active handle. So it's supposed to be attached here in a red mark, and there are 15 types of electrode. So I am attaching one electrode by this way. Now I am attaching the passion plate, one wire here and one plug here. It is supposed to be placed behind the shoulder of the patient. So now I am attaching the power supply and foot control. So foot control here and power supply here. This one is on off button, on off. So now I am going to use it. So first of all, this is the button one, high cutting and low cutting. We should use low cutting. Whenever required, then use high cutting. Here is a switch for foot switch and the hand switch. This one is used by the foot control, so we have to select foot cutting. Now I am going to start the demo. This one is a patient, and this one is the knob for the selection of the intensity. Whatever type of required we have to use. So now I am going to press so I have to require the increase the intensity. So I am increasing the knob. This one is intensity. So now I am pressing the foot control, and so this one is cutting the gingiva like this. So this one is a hand switch pencil. It is supposed to be attached here by this way. While using the hand switch pencil, we have to switch down the switch towards the hand switch. So there is one inbuilt electrode, and there are 4 electrodes which can be used with this hand switch pencil. So there are 2 switches. One is for cutting and one is for the coagulation. Now there is one advantage which is called bipolar. So this one is a bipolar which is supposed to be used here, which is rarely used in our dentistry. So we can use like this by the foot control, and there is no requirement of passion plate when we are using this bipolar. There is a tip cleaner with it, and this all electrodes are self autoclavable because it generates the heat. So we can clean with this tip cleaner. Thank you.